Hi there, it's So Giraffe. I'm just giving you an update on your project. Sorry, I haven't really been vocal this last week. I had my bank card stolen, so I was dealing with that. And so, any fabric's been ordered. I'm super excited. It should be here in the next couple of days, it said, because I got 2-day shipping. But regardless, here is your first prototype. I think I messed up on the arms though. Okay, so this little guy, obviously he's smaller than what you want, but this way we can at least see the size and stuff. And I'll also take some pictures too. Um, so this is him without the fur on. So, and I'll send you some pictures of what I'm thinking of doing for the fur, and we can definitely do it like two different ways. One is to do more like spikes that would be more like in line with Sonic the Hedgehog, you know, kind of how his head's kind of is. Or we could do it more like a leaf thing, that would give it more of a, you can like run your hands through it kind of a thing. The only issue with that version is that at the end of the day, you might see some of the skin underneath, the black material, because I'm not gonna match that to the fur, and that would only be if you like pull it up and look at it, because there'll be like little strips. Anyway, I'll do like a little example of that and show you. So here we got the wolf. I haven't gotten the ears on yet, um, or anything. I typically don't do that because right now I'm just trying to figure out the size. I'll measure it in just a moment. So, and I know you said you wanted to like lay on it, so I don't know. So in my mind, I'm like, oh, narrow hips, because it's a wolf, you know, they typically have narrow hips. But if you want it to be more like a flat, kind of like a pillow, just let me know. I'm more than happy to do that. So I did the arms. Oh, there we go. On this side. So I did the arms incorrectly because I kind of did it like how my arm would be, you know, kind of like that. But you want it more like kitty paws. So but I think that's easy enough. I would just switch this around, so then it would be like that. So basically what I'm asking for you is size wise, or not size, ratio wise. Like, is this leg good? Do you want the feet bigger than this? Is the arm good? Do you want the arms a little bit bigger than this? Do you want them a little bit smaller? Now, personally, I was thinking of making this part a little bit shorter, but now that I'm kind of looking at it on the screen, I think it actually might be fine. Um, but that's entirely up to you. And then this side of the leg, this was just a sewing issue. That's why it's kind of like twisted off a little bit. But then we're going to have like the tootsies right here on the bottom, and then the tootsies on the bottom of here and all that. So this is kind of like the shape I'm thinking. Like I said, I can definitely take some more pictures and stuff like that. But unless you have like, you want it more flat, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to get started working on the 4-foot patterned plush. And then, once I get the material, then we could always make some changes with the final product. It's more or less just the basic shape. Like if you look at this and you're like, oh, the head is kind of too big for it, then let me know, you know, like relative size of this to this. And the coloring, like the swatching, the white and the brown, that's just because that's the material I had access to. Same with the black. The pins are just to make his crutch just a little bit smaller, because it was like really odd, like broken pelvis, you know, laying out the legs. So yeah, so if you could just let me know what you think, if the feet are kind of the right ratio size, the arms, you want kitty paws, right? Like, and then if the head's kind of the right size for the body. And anything else you have questions about, feel free to ask. And once again, I'm sorry that I was kind of quiet there for a few minutes, but we're back in action, and I think this is gonna turn out really good. I'm really excited about it, and I will send you examples of what I'm thinking, as far as the spikes for like kind of like Sonic, or we could do the kind of the pedally format. So just be on the lookout for that, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Bye.